Hi, I'm Jesse McCready. I'm with AniModule. You can check out my modules at AniModule.com. I've been informed that I need to do a little more advertising for AniModule. So I'm putting this TikTok module together. I thought maybe you'd just want to hang out while I chat. If nobody watches this, then it's your loss. No, no, then I won't waste my time making any more of them. But, yeah, so this one's already partly together. There's a rider board for it. Already assembled most of the stuff. Just got to put the power connector, the caps on. Here's a secret. Don't hold the header. Hold it on the other side that you're soldering on. Because it heats up pretty fast. You might. Oh yeah. Pardon me for reaching. There you go. What's that? Should have had that prepared, huh? Yeah. So I've just been working on a bunch of weird stuff lately. What do we got? Well, I'll show you in a second. Let's get these caps together here. No, just putting this together and thought, man, maybe I could kill two birds with one stone. Because, you know, I'm just using the camera microphone. So I'm not piping any audio in. And I'm needing high fidelity for this. Except maybe that fan noise. It's, I know it's probably worthwhile getting a microphone and the what do you call it? The preamp. The preamp. The microphone and preamp and record the fan. Yeah, it's a lovely fan noise. All right, good. There's the rider board. There you go. Most of this stuff is all surface mount. I just put it on. Actually have this marker and a syringe and some tape and a hole, some tubing. I'll run it to the input side of an aquarium pump. That's how I do all my surface mount stuff. Just take cardboard and carpet tape, put the strips on here. Yeah, I got rolls on a little thingy under my bench. What do you call that? A dowel. Using that. Yeah, it's a technical term for it. So it's a technical dowel. So. Oh yeah. It's always important to remember which side of these switches, which direction is up, and then put it the wrong way round. And these switches, they got a nice feel and they got a fantastic price. Only thing is, you hold the heat on them too long, the guts are liable to melt. So we just give them a little kiss and then move on with the rest of it. What we got here? We got these jacks. I believe they call them jacks. Oh yeah, this one, see, it's all the surface mount, got the transistors and the resistors. They put them on with the fish pump Sharpie syringe. Also stuff these holes full of solder paste. Take the headers and I clip them off, or I got some more headers. Where are the headers? Headers. There one of these drawers around here. There's my organization. Oh yeah, here you go. So I take these headers, Right, that's the side I want. I take these headers and I just clip them off. There to go. Everything flew. And of course, I'm wearing eye protection. Alright. Because safety first. Alright, what do? You put the jacks in here. Oh yeah, before I get started, what was I saying? I got this screw gun, and then I was too impatient to wait for the charger. Where'd it go? Come here. Come here. I was too impatient to wait for the charger. So, I got this. So, I've been working on this, trying to get this to work. I took them out. What do you do here? I took them out. These are the original batteries that came in it. I was trying to charge them. With this mess, and it turns out, oh, what was I saying? Oh, and it turns out that these DC batteries, oh, how does that go? These DC batteries, they don't want to get charged with AC. You know, I put these capacitors, where is that? Put these capacitors and some diodes in front of it. So you can use a little resistor here. They just don't like it. So you can put all the capacitors, I don't know. But, so that's done it. So even this one. There's a and so luckily I found this, a Rio battery, in the trash while I was driving around one day. I said, oh wait, what do you know, it's the same size, but I still can't get it to work properly together. I'll figure it out. I'll keep blowing up batteries till I figure it out. Oh, what was I doing here? What jacks. It's very important that you install jacks on your modular synth products. It's a good thing no one's watching this. As you know, I'd be talking like this even if it's just me here instead of me and y'all and the one of you. Jacks. So that got me to thinking, right? So mess around with that 12-volt battery, right? I pulled this fan out of a microwave, and I got 2 microwave transformers. It's got 100 turns on the primary and approximately 20 turns on the secondary. So, and then you get 20 volts coming out of it, and lots of current. Now, it seems to be a problem with the modular synthesizers, right? Is there's here, close your eyes for a second, let me give you a little better. Alright. So I'm just trying to make sure I don't get a shot of my junk here. Oh, yeah, alright. That should keep you from getting seasick. You can open your eyes now. And change the channel. So the microwave oven transformers. Now I could get, we're looking at 2 of them together. I'm pulling 50 amps or something like that for this DIY stick welder. Now couldn't I just use one of them and get $20 amps for a limitless modular synth power supply? Right, that's always the problem. There's never enough current. So I don't know. I have to look into that. Just you don't want to. They're not light, that's for sure. The microwave oven transformers. I had modular since. In that case, either. It's probably lighter than a microwave oven transformer though. So here it is. It's the pink LED. It sounds the best. Next is the orange LED. But you know, that's all subjective, I suppose. Which side do these go on? They go on over here. Here. Yeah, I think the next channel over they got paint drying. I heard it's probably a little more interesting. Watch me stuff this PCB here. Oh yeah, I had that set up like that. I found this washing machine motor. I actually ran on the what is it, on the 12 volts. Still can't figure out if it's universal or induction now. You turn the voltage down and it doesn't slow down, but I can't find any brushes in there. But there's no capacitor. There's no start or run capacitor. You got there's that. There. Oh. Whoa, there goes. Oh yeah. This guy here. So that was a nice find. I'll use it for a I don't know. I don't know, maybe I'll build a washing machine. Nice thing, if you hook it up, you connect the power to the one side, it runs in reverse though. So I still can't figure that out. It says it's an AC motor. So what do we got here? Oh yeah, the template. Where's the template? This it adds the gate mod. So triple X. Come here. Got all these templates here. Let's there you are. Oh, I lost some of the LEDs. In case you thought you didn't get enough. I mean, putting these LEDs in here. I know, I like to do it twice too. So, what do they say? If it's worth doing right, it's worth doing twice. So, someone says that. I don't think they get anything done now. So, alright, which way does this go? This one. See, I cut two of them, and I put tape in between the one side, so the LEDs know where to go. Which I don't know which way it goes though. So. There you are. Right. Push everything down. Make sure it's nice. You know, I'd say there's a lot of handwork. A lot of people get these fab, but you know, it's such small quantities. It's not like I'm building hundreds of these or anything. Oh yeah, I gotta tap down all the jacks too. I believe there's a best orientation to solder these, but it's been a minute, so I don't remember. Oh yeah, and don't let it jump, because then you gotta do it, push them all down again. Pretty sure it's something like that. We'll see. The nice thing is, I can move it if I need to, right? How's it going? Any more of these Solderside chats? Is interesting at all to anybody? Oh, it's fun for me. I guess that's the important part. Yep, I don't think I had that the right way. Maybe there isn't a right way. Any way you're doing it is pretty much just as good as the other. Man, I'll tell you what, this fan is all right. It's got from Mouser. What, the Jonard fan? It's got this arm there so that I can horse it around. Just pick it up and get it out of my way. I like that. It made it cost significantly more, but it's pretty sturdy and it's worth its weight. Just being able to get it out of the way. Like I moved it to a different position earlier when I was reflowing these, when I reflowed this board. And I just picked it up out of the way to get the little electric grill off of my bench. There you go. This may be one of the right ways. Oh, I think I bumped the camera. That's good. So there you go. They're in there properly. Used to love soldering. Love soldering for the first couple of years that I was doing it. I soldered a lot. Used to smoke while I was doing it. It's good. Made the cigarettes taste better. And I'd rather plug motors in and then try to figure out what made them smoke and if I can make it run again. So I built this bench. I think I built it a couple inches too high. Because you always think, right, you build it high so that your work is near your face so you don't have to bend over. And you build it too high, you gotta bend your elbows. Or move your seat up. Luckily, that didn't work. I just moved my seat up a little bit. So, fascinating stuff. Well, I'm not giving all my trade secrets away. Does that look like sun setting over there? It's a nice thing. You gotta get sunshine in your work area. Or you get the seasonal depressions. In the winter time, that is. You get seasonal depressions in the summertime. I think that's just the depressions. I don't think there's anything seasonal about it. Again, you gotta jump around on the legs on these switches so that you don't burn the guts. You don't want to. No, see, that's what happens. You distracted me. We got here. A lot of people use a solder sucker. I can't get them to work properly. So I overheat that. I love this braid though. There's quite a bit of it. Just for fun, mind you, not because I'm making mistakes on your modules. So. Alright, we're almost done here. What do you got? I miss. I'm sure I'll find it in the testing. Quality control. Oh. It's important to have a little armrest here so I don't get the carpal tunnels. It's bad for the seasonals. I think that's it. What we done? Did I miss anything? Find out on QC. Alright. Put your safety glasses on. I just wear mine around the house because it's a good look for me. These people think I'm smart. Until I speak to them. Yeah, the helmet throws them off though. They contradict each other. So yeah, it looks good. Huh? What do you say? It's alright. Where's the piece here? We got I got something for you over there. Somewhere. Oh, I had it. Where'd it go? I had the IC around somewhere. We'll find it. No need for you to hang around for me soon. I see. Alright. Well. There's Jesse McCready. I'm with AniModule. Check out my modules at AniModule.com. Later. Looks like I found my IC here. Let's turn this off. Done soldering. Found it. Alright, well, I gotta do another one, so just thought you'd want to see the conclusion. Alright, Jesse McCready, AniModule, AniModule.com. Check us out.